Hey guys, welcome back to a new tutorial video. In this video I will show you how to edit warm orange filter on your image using Lightroom Mobile and your videos using Premiere Pro. There are some example photos before and after using this filter. So guys, without wasting your time, let's jump to the tutorial. First go to Light. Bring the exposure plus 0.14. Bring the highlights minus 50. Shadows plus 37. Whites minus 100. Blacks minus 38. And go to color. Bring the temp plus 46. Bring the tint minus 26. Saturation minus 15. Go to color mix. First go to orange. Bring the saturation minus 16. Luminance plus 14. Go to yellow. Bring saturation minus 100. Luminance plus 35. Next go to green. Bring the hue plus 100. Saturation minus 100. Go to sky blue. Bring the hue plus 100. Saturation minus 39. Luminance plus 22. Next go to blue. Bring the hue minus 35. Saturation minus 84. Luminance plus 34. Go to purple. Bring the saturation minus 16. Next go to pink. Bring the saturation minus 14. And done. Next go to effects. Bring the clarity minus 10. Grain amount plus 9. Go to split tone. And bring the hue to 188. And saturation 14. For highlights. And bring the hue to 239. And saturation 28. For shadows. Balance minus 51. And done. Now go to details. Sharpening 10. Noise reduction 25. Detail 80. And done. Now your pic is ready to upload. Now let's try to copy this preset and paste to another picture. Copy settings and paste it. If you like this preset, you can also download this preset from the description. And thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe. I Snap for more photography tutorial. See you next time. Have a great day.